Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I want to show you a super cool, very handy drink cooler. So this is from BruMate. This is the HOPSULATOR 3-in-1 drink cooler. So this is a lot different than other stainless steel drink coolers that I have seen and tested. This one does it all. So this is able to accommodate both 16-ounce and 12-ounce cans. So in order to do that, there's a little adapter that doubles as an ice pack. So you can keep that in the freezer, and then when you want to put in a 12-ounce can, which is a little bit shorter, it gives it the added height that it needs so that you're able to drink out of the 12-ounce can, and also keeps your drink extra cold. And to put the cans in, you simply push them through the silicone mouthpiece, and they are good to go. They're not going to fall out. They're super secure. The shape of this is really nice. It's easy to hold with flat sides. It's got a little bit of a rubberized bottom, so that makes it non-slip when you place it down, especially if you're like on a boat or out camping and maybe you don't have the most level surfaces. Kind of gives it a little bit extra grip, which is nice. The other amazing feature about this that makes it 3-in-1 is that it has a drinking lid, so you can actually use this as well as a cup or a tumbler. You can drink out of it straight like this and just put your beverage inside here. Or you can add this little travel lid. It actually has a locking function to open and close the mouthpiece, so it is super secure and is not gonna leak on you. It also has a little magnetic piece that holds the lid open, so it's not gonna hit you in the face when you take a sip. So really good features. BruMate has thought of everything. Functionality and durability and design, it's all there. I am super pleased with this product. This is perfect for any outdoor activities where you want to have a drink with you, whether it's hot or cold. It's going to keep it at your ideal temperature for a very long time, and I think you're going to absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.